Hey guys, it's Coach D at D Model Phase, a model training company based in Atlanta, Georgia, where we also provide model training courses virtually for all students. So if you're not local to Atlanta, no worries. We are here to educate and inspire you on your model pursuit. Today is Tuesday, so we got to drop a Tuesday tip for models. And we just want to reiterate consistency, especially with us about to close out this year. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving and were able to enjoy it doing whatever you felt was best for you. But consistency for a model looks as you are every day doing something to further your career. So you might not be booked for a photo shoot every day or every week or every month, but are you still putting in that additional time to perfect your craft? And that could be booking a training course, watching America's Next Top Model, looking on YouTube at different types of modeling that you're interested in. What are you doing to ensure that you are staying up to date with your craft? You want to be sure that you are staying focused, especially as we're about to close out this year. Finish strong. You got this. Consistency looks different for everyone. So find out what works best for you in your routine and go for it. Don't let anyone stop you. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this Tuesday tip, and we look forward to growing and building on your model pursuit.